and hard work. Because small and easy work empowers children. 9. Have the courage to follow, help and understand. Because it will help you elevate before you know that you really want to. And 7 things we must abandon to success. 1. Let go of negative thoughts. 2. Let go of the belief that I cannot change the world. 3. Stop wasting time. 4. Forget the word chance. 5. The dedication of patience. 6. Stop thinking and judging other people's opinions. 7. Stop not trusting others. And finally, I congratulate you on graduating from your course and taking another step forward in your progress. And I wish you great success in the next stage in your life. Thank you all for your passion and attention.